1 Minute Norwegian Lesson 3.
Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Norwegian, where you can learn Norwegian 1 minute at a time with me, Dag. And we're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Norwegian. My guess is that everyone you speak to will be very impressed with your skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Norwegian in Norwegian is norsk. Let's repeat that. Norsk. Now it's important that you know this word well for this lesson, because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again. Norsk. To say that you speak Norwegian, you say Jeg snakker norsk. Listen again. Jeg snakker norsk. One more time. Jeg snakker norsk. We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I speak a little Norwegian. The word for a little is litt. So putting this together with Jeg snakker norsk, you would say, Jeg snakker litt norsk. Listen to this again. It's quite tricky. Jeg snakker litt norsk. Excellent. Try it one more time. Jeg snakker litt norsk. Time's up, but I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Norwegian-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. That's all for today. Takk for nå, og ha det bra.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.